Guess I'm doing a cooking video. Oof. What is all this? Excuse me, sir. Sir? We got 2 whole things of Major Melon Mountain Dew. Wilson loves it, and so do I. Got the water. But what could I do for a cooking video? What could I cook? Wow. Okay. I have an idea. Wow. Beautiful. Okay. Bruh. I don't know if you guys can see this, but what is all this? Wilson, this is why we can't cook. This is why we can't cook nice things. Always on the burner, bro. Bro. All right, 1 sip of this. Down the hatch. Delicious. So that's the first step to the cooking. Gotta get a little drunk so that, you know, I'm not really, you know, professional drinker here, so I don't get drunk, you know. I just get better. 1 sip of this, put it back in the freezer that you left open the entire time. Leave your freezer open for this next step. Unplug the toaster, don't need that. We're not toasting, we're making bangers and mash? I don't know what that is. Yeah, we're gonna make a banger omelet, maybe? Ignore the mess in certain spots, just act like you didn't see it. Let's grab this. Grab the eggs, because that's all I know how to cook. That's why you buy a bunch. You buy a bunch of the things you know how to cook. Boom. Boom. Thumbs up to the camera, because you're awkward. It's a cheddar. Mild cheddar. You cannot be in the fridge again. Not again. Well, I don't see the usual breakfast sausages because I actually used I used the breakfast sausages already, so we're gonna have to do something that it might be a little gross to some, but we call it breakfast here. So we're gonna be taking ballpark bun-sized beef hot dogs, and that will be our meat in the omelet. Yep, get your pets. What else? So we got the cheese, we got the omelet. I'm about to get grilled so hard. Bruh. I'm gonna get so grilled. I'm gonna get roasted like an omelet. 1:10 a.m. You can tell because the microwave says so, and the microwave never lies. And there's a little spot here where the window's just wide open, and it's a little creepy, especially when you're home alone. So that's cool. Oh, also, don't forget for the stove, because you're gonna be cooking on the stove, you're gonna want to be missing 1 burner, because your landlord doesn't want to do it himself. You're not gonna spend any more money than you need to. So, fun tip there. So, Wilson. Right, okay. You know, sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I do skip out on seasoning. Feel free to comment below your opinion on that. Sometimes I just let like a nice breakfast sausage. You let a nice breakfast sausage carry you, you know? So what I grabbed off camera, because I am bad at actual recording instead of games recording, I grabbed salt that we have and the pepper. Let's just go ahead and keep it simple. Basic salt and pepper, hot dog, omelet. Trust. Grab one of these boys. Beautiful. Almost dropped it. And then before you cook again, take another sip of the Crown Royal apple. Bruh. You know this is about to be trash, so I mean, great. It's about to be amazing. It's about to be the best. 6'5". Sorry, I need to be cooking, right? This is a cooking video, not a height flexing video. Okay, Billy? Okay. Stay right there. So once you've moved the half-drinking juice out of the way, you're gonna want to grab the butter, grab a knife, or spoon, or fork, or whatever you want. really. Anything. Anything to scoop up the butter. Give you a nice little view of that. Country Crock Original. Wow. It's hard to do with one hand. I can already see the comments now. You're gonna be like, wow, you would choose the easiest thing. Hey, I still mess up omelets. Put that, we put the heat on 7. Put that heat on 7. Ignore the grease and dirtiness. I cleaned this part, but not that part. So you're just gonna have to bear with me on that one. Okay, well, just found out my battery is in fact too low. My battery is too low to turn on the flash. So, hello, and welcome to my cooking YouTube video. My cat is right here. We're holding the camera the whole time, so I'm sorry. I'm sorry if it's shaky. It's not level. Gotta do it manually. All right, come on, spread the butter. Stop being greedy. Get in the middle. All right, I'm just gonna put more butter on you. You asked for it. There. There you go. More butter. I could just drink this right now. What do you think, guys? We should have prepped a little bit for our eggs because we're gonna have to stir those up. So, let me give you a Billy cam. This is me grabbing a bowl. Let's grab the eggs out. I'll do it with one hand. Perfect. Delicious golden eggs. Bruh. You're gonna have to forgive me, guys. I'm very bad at cooking and also cooking with one hand. Heavy breathing, anybody? All right, crack the egg, break it with one hand. That's so bad, but it's so good, you know? Wash our hands, because we still got egg all over them. Well said. Well said. Don't eat the eggs. Ooh. Ooh. Got some water in there. Take the butter knife that you use for the butter and mix it up. Nice even mix of egg, break the yolks, all that other good stuff. Shake off this. You're not gonna use that anymore. Don't quote me on that. Back at Billy Cam. We got black pepper. Get the salt. Smack it. You take the knife that you said you were done with, stir it back up with the salt and pepper that you threw in there. And now it should look like a dirty egg. Hashtag save the chickens. Throw an egg away. Okay, so what we're actually gonna do first is we're gonna cook the hot dog. Singular beef hot dog, that's probably pretty old by now. Now tell me that ain't just beautiful. Wow. Truly delicious. Oh, and it's already burnt. Get your handy dandy spatula. This looks amazing. Make some room for the eggs. I'm cooking the eggs in the hot dog water / butter. Ooh, all right. Turn down the heat. Turn it down to about 3 or whatever your thing is. Start at the high heat. I let it cook until it's pretty much solid. I don't know if you should do that, but I like to make sure it's cooked all the way, not any runniness. Tell me in the comments below, can you cook an omelet, cooking it most of the way through and letting it be a little runny? So what we do here, because it's at an angle, it's actually, this oven is tilting that way. You kind of gotta lift it up like that, so it cooks up nice and even. But I'm not gonna do that the whole video because that's boring. You know what? This is a r/roast me. r/roast my cooking. How about that? All right, let me show you my cooking real quick. This is my cooking. I'll show you. See that over there? That's pizza rolls, and that's what I cook. That's what I cook. I put it in the oven, I follow the instructions, and that's it. Sometimes it's pizza, sometimes it's frozen. Let's not get too sidetracked. let's talk about this egg. Can we talk about this egg for a second? Let me turn that light on it. Maybe we should start getting work on this hot dog here. Yeah, just like that. Oh, I know. Do you prefer this lighting or the other lighting? I still got some pepper in there, so I'm not gonna season it too much. And yeah, I'm really blind right now. I'm seeing spots, I feel like. Toothless, what do you think about the eggs? You liking the eggs? Girl? Imagine this is a breakfast sausage and not a hot dog, and the rest of it stays the same. What would you rate that out of 10 in the comments? You know, I probably asked like 3 different things, but type them all out in a post, you know? Type them all out. Can you stop? I'm trying to record a video. It's looking just about done. I probably should have flipped it already. Actually, I probably should have added these bad boys already. Just gonna throw them in like that. That's how you cook here on the Billy Show. Let's also get this cheddar. Mild cheddar. I don't know how to not block the light because it's an overhead light, so you're just gonna have to see. You're gonna have to see the shadows. Whatever the sun touches is not in the video. So we don't go outside, baby. We don't go outside. Grab your spatula, flip it over like this, but we'll let it cook for like, oh, that's okay. All right, okay. Before you, before you say anything about the brownness of the omelet, let me counter argue it. The point of I did that all with my right hand, and recorded this video with my left hand. So, can you blame me?
Yes.
Oh wait, I should probably pay attention to this. You know what? Let's just turn off the oven so it doesn't burn anything else. Boom, just like that. And that's what I call dinner, baby. Let's check the time, shall we? Hi, YouTube. 1:39 in the morning, but now it's time for the taste test. Grab yourself a nice little. I was gonna say grab a fork. All right, this is my size, anyways. So here's the omelet that takes up an entire normal size plate, I would say. And here's the fork. Time for a cut test. Hey, you know, it kind of rips apart pretty easy. So let's try it. I really don't want to though. Okay. The eggs taste just like I expected them to. Like a rough texture on the outside, but it still tastes like an egg. I want to say that it's actually good, but I can't stop thinking about the fact that it's a hot dog and that it should have like ketchup on it. 5.7 out of 10. 5.7 out of 10, you know? I feel like that's a fair assessment, you know, because I'd say a Wendy's burger, because, you know, I'm a fast foodie. Wendy's burger, 8 out of 10. Wendy's burger's an 8 out of 10 for sure. This omelet, 5.7. Give me some tips below if you like this weird video, because I know I've never done a video like this, so, and usually I don't cook. So I'm just making up an excuse for why it looked bad and was bad. But if you liked it, leave it a like. Leave the like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. And leave a comment based on those questions I asked earlier. I don't remember what they were, but scroll back and look at them. I'll see you in the next one.